Today I'm going to show you how to convert your Google Play balance into a redeem code. This means you can use your balance for different services or even share with others as a gift. Before we begin, let's first check how much balance you have in your Google Play account. Open the Google Play Store app on your Android phone. Once you're in the app, tap on the profile icon in the top right corner. Tap payment and subscription. Here you'll see Google Play balance under the payment method section. If you have a balance, it will show up here. Now keep in mind that Google Play balance cannot be directly converted into a redeemable gift code. Unfortunately, Google doesn't offer a way to take your existing balance and convert it into code for outside of the Google ecosystem. You can also use it to purchase You can only use it to purchase apps, games, movies, and subscription within the Google Play Store. So while you can't convert it into a gift card, there are still plenty of ways to use your balance effectively. Although you can't convert your balance into a code, you can send a gift to someone using your Google Play balance. Open your Google Play Store, go to payments and subscription and select send gift. You'll be prompted to select the amount you want to send, and then you can choose the recipient from your contacts. The recipient will get a Google Play gift card code that they can redeem and use in the store. If you've received a Google Play gift card or code, it's just as easy to redeem it. To redeem a code, tap on your profile icon, go to payments and subscription and select redeem code. Enter the gift card code and your balance will be added to your Google Play account instantly. So there you have it. While you can't directly convert your Google Play balance into a redeem code, you can still use it to purchase apps, send gifts, and more. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.